Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're gonna see common mistakes that beginners do when they start playing guitar and how to fix them. Show reel! Common mistake number one. Weak bending. This is very common when you're a beginner and you start experiencing with bending and you're using only one finger. For example, I've seen people doing this and they have bad grip. So one of the main reasons that happens is because they're using only one finger, like this. So to avoid that, try to use 3 fingers, for example. If you're gonna make a bend, for example here, it gives you more precision and more strength. Problem number 2, when you play and you're doing a bending again, but out of pitch. People are playing, for example, when the note to land is this, and they do. That sounds horrible. So you gotta use your ears. A good exercise to fix that is doing double notes, like this. You play that note that you wanna land, and you do the bending with this finger. So you can hear when it's bad when you have this. Common mistake number 3, noisy playing. Like how to fix that? You can palm mute the strings. You can hear the difference between, it's gonna depend what you wanna hear, but that's the fix for that. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And leave your comments down below. If you wanna go deeper, just email me and for private lessons. We can make it online and settle that up. See you in the next episode. Show reel!